All right, here we are, guys. This is just to give you some idea of what the monkey forest is like. So here we're at the bottom of the monkey forest loop, basically the start of the monkey forest road. The monkey forest here is to the left of the camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk the entire length of this road so that you can get an idea of what's happening on it. Now, obviously there are constraints. This is a Sunday afternoon at 2 p.m.-ish, so there's a few cars, but as you may have noticed, it's only one way, other than the motor scooters, of course. So with that, I'm gonna cross the street in a second and do a little commentary here to give you an idea of what it's all about. So I'm gonna cross this road and get over here to this sidewalk. And you'll see there's a tour bus that's about to pass me on the right. Over here on the right side, we just start kind of a gift shops, you know? Looks like some trinkets, some jewelry, necklaces, bags, maybe some beadwork over there. And this got some tour buses coming. But yeah, maybe an ashtray, maybe some carvings. And then we got some batik, wind chimes, some nice sundresses and other assorted clothing, likely made in Indonesia. Some wall hangings and whatnot. But yeah, here we go. So this is the bend, the very bottom of the whole thing. On the left used to be the entrance. Okay, we've spotted our first monkey. There he is, chilling. Chilling. Homie is chilling. This used to be the actual entrance, and you could enter. You could buy your ticket there. You could buy your ticket in that office. And look at this guy, he's just chilling. So there you go, monkeys abound. So it's worth a walk through that. You can see kind of, there's the leisure, and that's for another day. Another episode, a walk through there. But anyway, we're gonna start here. So as we take a turn, this begins. All right, so the obligatory convenience stores. And now we're gonna get a closer look at what's inside here. So these are worth a look, you know. You may find something that you like. And aha, linenware, very nice. Hello, sir. Checking out the linen. Looks nice. 250,000. That is around $15. $15 for a linen shirt, not bad. It's all right. So yeah, let's check it. And yeah, some suitcases. And we have our first ice cream shop, I think. Some bags, trinkets, hats, purses. Here's we got some. These are kind of popular, I think. Some, I guess you would call tie-dye batik or something. So some people may be interested to check this out. It's nice. Anyway, we're gonna get up And so here's a cafe. So this might actually be a nice cafe to check out. You never know. This might be a nice place to have lunch.
This one getting dropped.
Okie dokie, guys, back on track. Had to adjust the equipment. So on the right is kind of like an entrance to a hotel back there. That would probably be nice. Let's see. So here we go. The Balinese tend to like carvings. So we've got some little bone carvings, I think, wood carvings. Okay, so now we're just kind of going up this hill. Let's pick it up a little bit. A restaurant, who knows? Indian food now. Some more linen. There's a gelato. Gelato has to be one of the most popular things on this street. Massage, foot massage, regular massage. And we've got people from all over the world. Korean, Russian, you name it. Here's another cool little hangout spot with some gelato. Coffee. Okay, there's one of my favorite ones. Here on the right side. Oh yes. So Utama Spice, natural beauty products, natural and sustainable lifestyle products. So that's worth a visit. To the right of that, we've got some hats and bags and stuff, some dresses. Good. And then back over here, as we proceed on, more carvings. Yeah, this here to the left is just a regular. So inside here is just a foot massage. So that's a decent thing to consider, is chilling out for a foot massage. Some jewelries, t-shirts. Let's see. Okay, and again, looks like natural body care is a theme on this street. Natural beauty products seem to be popular, essential oils, incense, and that kind of thing. So let's just carry on. Some frozen yogurt on the right side, cool monkey. And then here in front of me, yeah, just some, depending on who you are and what you are into, this is worth a stroll. Maybe pick up some keepsake or souvenir. So let's move on. Who knows, this will take us about 30, 35 minutes. We'll see. On the right side is a restaurant called Taco Cartel by Cilantro. So that's doing Mexican food. Lots of people here.
Yeah, traveling.
And Ubud Salon and Massage. And we start on the right side with a relative, this is probably worth a stay, this one here, I would say. This is at Ubud Inn. I think that was, if you want budget and comfortable and right in the thick of this monkey forest, that would be a good option. So here I am in the middle of the road, chilling. Some restaurants, a convenience store, Money exchange, any one of these is fine. Here's some street food. Let's check this out. Oh, it's bakso. 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 Bakso are meatballs. Let's check it out. Homie's eating some bakso. Looks good. So yeah. Okay. The Dewi IU. Another cheapy hotel. Okay, just keep the. So you'll see there's like a amethysta. That looks nice. Maybe candles and scented items. And again, some stone carvings. Let's see over here. Stone carvings. Okay, so let's move on. There's maybe some custom woodworking over there. The Golden Ape. So this is a place where you could have a coffee or have a snack and relax. Oh, I heard Chinese. So another smoothie and ice cream place, and shisha. Shisha is getting super popular here. So you can see Bali Lounge, but shisha is popular in the last few years. Okay, moving on. Let's pick up the pace. So you're getting the idea. Uluwatu, this is like lace, Bali, like lace. Look, you can see inside. There's some very nice items, and that is relatively expensive and quite famous. So lace embroidery kind of items, locally created. So let's go. So here I am. Yogurt Republic. Yep, gelato and yogurt seems to be winning. Oh. Here we are. So this looks like a restaurant. Nope, massage, more clothing boutique. Yeah, here's in a restaurant upstairs. Sunset Lounge, Resto. See, any one of these I think would be worth a try. Here is the Blue Door. So this will be happening at nighttime. Live music. And so this one over here on the right side, called Kapal Laut, is jewelry. So if you're looking for silver, I think that'd probably be a good place to buy it. Quality, maybe not the cheapest, but it's going to be good. So now we've come, I don't know, a few hundred meters maybe. So I'm in the middle of the road, but it'll be okay. Okay, on the right side's Three Monkeys Ubud. That's a good restaurant. I've been there many times. So I'm just, look, this is a Sunday afternoon at 2:30, like I said. And it's pretty easy going, you know. It's not all that bad. It's not just uber crowded, although it is October. So the Balinese are just chilling. Chilling. So this is the Rasa. What are we looking at here? Yeah, look at that. So this is Komeneka Rasa Sayang. That is a good hotel, I think. It's probably expensive, but this is nice. If you want to be right in the middle of this and have all the comfort and amenities, I think this is the one. It's a famous, well-known, that one. Okay. More money exchangers. Now here, Honey and Smoke. This is a famous restaurant. I've actually eaten here a couple times. It's very elegant and quite good. Sort of elegant dining, fine dining. And then they're right next to Pertiwi. Pertiwi is pretty good. I've been in there before, and that's also about $80 a night. This is clean and bright and got all the services. I suspect it's around $85 a night for 2 people in 1 bedroom. All right, back over here. So Watercress is a good restaurant. Again, there's a ton of good restaurants here. It's one of the big things. This one right here is called Watercress. It's good. And we're moving to, so next to it over here is the Bali Buddha, which is only open at night. Oh, here's a Starbucks to our left. So the first thing from Western, look at that. Little Starbucks is here. If you need to get your macchiato. But yeah, over here, oh, we got more oh, what we got? Baso? Tofu. Oh, yeah. Chicken tofu. Let me see. Yeah, so we got some street food, Bali street food happening here. Nice. Tahu walek. Good stuff. That's good stuff. That's fun. I like that. So as I said, here on the right side is Bali Buddha. Now that will have live bands. It's not even open until probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 in the afternoon.
Again.
But there'll be bands, live music in there. And next to it is the Cinta Grill, which is also very nice food. That's a great place to eat. Been there many times. On the left is the very famous Cafe Wayan. Here, let's check it out. See that? This one is super Balinese, ultra famous. This has been here for 40 years. This is probably one of the first restaurants on this street, actually. It's just kind of ornate and quiet, and there's a garden in the very back. It's good. And they have some, over here they have some, can't really see, but this is really nice baked goods. I suspect that if you bought anything here, you would like it. These are artisanal baked goods. Okay, man, let's carry on. So, I don't know, where are we? We're around 50%? I don't know, let's check it out. Back out here in the middle. And we're getting another hotel on the left. This is the Kajane. That's fairly famous. Not all that old, actually. So some shoes, some jewelers, and another Komeneka property on the other right side. So this is a group, Komeneka. And yeah, they've got good standards. Good standards. And if you want to be around this area where it's convenient, I think that choosing them would be a good idea. So here we are, chilling. Ubud Village Hotel, this is a famous one. This is really famous. This has been around forever as well. And so now we're passing Pasir and Night Party. So this will be a disco on the left here, or what do you want to call it? A nightclub or a bar. This won't happen. This will have live music. and there will be like a pool tables in the back, and a band will be playing there. That will happen at night tonight. So that's a place to hang out. What's up? What's up? What's up? And you can get your stuff. There's a Guardian. So this is for sundries and medical and kind of thing. Another spa. So these ladies are just chilling, waiting for their next massage customer. By the sea, another sort of like boutique clothing store. This one is famous on the right side, Bumi Bali. This is a Balinese style restaurant here. And that one could be worth a visit. Okie dokie. So, you know, this road is not actually all that long. We're about to hit the monkey forest. Excuse me, the soccer field. Oh, Giordano is here. Yeah, Giordano. So you can get yourself something nice there if you want. Giordano is and can't pass up old Crocs, right? So Crocs seem to be super famous wherever you go. I'm not sure that I would wear a pair. Oh yes, the Kurta Ubud. There it is. Look at that. That's an old hotel. Been many different kinds, many different brands. Down at the very end of that alley is a small hotel, and it might cost you, I don't know, $30 a night. They would have very simple amenities, maybe Wi-Fi, probably no air, maybe aircon. What do we got here? This is the coffee shop here with various stuff. Lots of people hanging out. Okay, so look, there's sunglasses, shorts, hats, t-shirts, and the similar. Oh, can't miss this one. So right there, if you can see, it's called the CP Lounge. So that one is gonna be open till say 4 a.m. or something. That's your midnight and after hangout spot. So at the end of this alley there is going to be a disco, like a full-on with, you know, loud and dancing and probably whatever you want. But until 4 a.m. that will go late. So here we are, everybody. So this is the temple that sort of on the temple of this village here, Ubud Kalod. And this is the soccer field. So in the middle of the monkey forest, so we're about 60% done here. In this used to be a huge soccer field, like an enormous one, but now it's half of it is parking. And so that's kind of good in that it made this place a little bit less busy and a little bit more convenient. There's a big parking lot here, and then on the left side over there, further afield is an actual soccer field or a football field. So you can still have games there and whatnot. But on the left, got more of this kind of, just clothing boutiques. Sarongs. So depending on who you are, you may want to check out that kind of. Smells good in there. Smells really good. So we got Germans and Russians and Europeans and English and American, Korean, Chinese, Japanese. It's pretty international. Okay, so Billabong and Quicksilver. So we've got the surf shops and some bikinis. Billabong and Quicksilver. And Deos. So this is kind of a famous, I think this originated in Australia, Deus Ex Machina. And then, yes, so here we are. There you can see the soccer field. And there are a couple things on the other side and down the street ahead. Maybe that will be for another adventure. But we're about to hit a intersection, and I believe it's a one-way intersection coming from the right. I think it's Dewi Sita, this street here on the right. This is intersecting the Monkey Forest Road. And down that road are many nice restaurants. That's definitely a lovely, lovely lane to go down because there are several really nice restaurants down there. So see, it's kind of got a breeze, it's sunny, the weather is nice, but it's not too hot. It's nice. This is nice. Okay, so I don't know, we've got about 300 more meters or something. So I'd like to point out here at the intersection of Dewi Sita, this street right here, and Monkey Forest Road is the famous Ibu Rai. This restaurant here kind of, I guess you can't really tell, there's no name, is there? This is Ibu Rai. We'll come back here and have something to eat, and I will show everybody. And that is the famous Ibu Rai restaurant. All right, let's move. So, various clothing boutiques. Some tourists have stopped to admire these carvings, some coconut head carvings. Not sure what that's all about, but yeah, there's lots of cool stuff to see. It's definitely worth a walk. Paintings. Okay, so here we're at this is kind of nice paintings. This is one thing that they're definitely known for is artwork. So you can check that out. A couple of restaurants here on the right side again. Mozzarella. Okay. This is just one-off stuff, purses and bags and trinkets and souvenirs. Okay. Another Guardian pharmacy. And on the right side is Rip Curl. So, couldn't be sort of in Bali and not have Rip Curl. All right, so this is good. This is about 25 minutes or so. Not very long, eh? So you can kind of get a good idea. And Polo, look at that. So kind of an outlet. And another Kapal Laut, so that I told you that was. And again, we've got Sensatia Botanicals here. So this is more essential oils and natural beauty products. This is Indonesian made. So authentic local brand kind of thing. Travel, you can set up your excursions here. On the right, this is a Pandawa. It says a music center. I think it's got a little bit of everything in there. All right, so now as we get to the top of Monkey Forest, it becomes the intersection of the main street, the T intersection of the main street creates a little bit of traffic because everybody's trying to turn left or right. And so what do we got here? I'm not sure what this is. Be the change. Okay, grip, never let go. Here we go. Okay, so these are just like shoes. Check this out. These are just like sandals, or what you want to call that, flip-flops. Let's go. So that's kind of famous. That's kind of popular, flip-flops or sandals. And here we got a beautiful girl having her picture taken. That was nice, right? That was really nice. And as I noticed earlier, Bollywood Indian cuisine. So a lot of Indian food now here, and Gelato Secrets. And then on the left here, we've got this, which is famous, Tropical Cafe Ubud. Tropical Cafe Ubud. That's tons of people. The fish spa. The fish spa right there. So I've done that before. All right, so now we're 95% of the way, guys. A couple more gelato places, more essential oils, the cherry pepper, which must be is a cafe, a new one. And so on the right here, look guys, on the right is the new Ubud market. So this structure you see on the right here is new, maybe only two years old maximum. This is a new structure. It has parking down there, and it replaced the old one, which was quite antiquated. So now you can see there's a lot more traffic here at the top, but we're going to go in there in a little bit and check that out. So inside of this structure is a bunch of stalls selling, again, more crafts, arts and crafts, and souvenirs. So here we are, guys, ending our Monkey Forest Road walk, and that was pretty good. So here we're at the Ubud Tourist Information Center. So if we go inside here, we could ask the police, we could get help. And right across the street in front of us there is the Ubud Palace. So you can walk in there, it's kind of like a garden. So right in there. And that's it, guys. We're out here and we're gonna call it quits. So all we wanted to do is just check this out. Just bring you out here. This is the absolute heart of Ubud. That way is going off to the north and to Villa Amrita. And then that one will be going off sort of to the south. back to the Denpasar. So all right, let's call it. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for following along.